Good morning, children. Once again, welcome to your English class. Today, we are going to start a Marigold book. And the name of the lesson is My Elder Brother. So, take out your Marigold book, page number 64. My Elder Brother. This is a story by Premchand titled Bade Bhai Sahab. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Actually, this story, Bade Bhai Sahab, this is the English translation, My Elder Brother. Munshi Premchand was one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. He is famous for his works like Godan, Gaban, Mansarovar, etc. And this is also one of his famous stories. Now let us start. Put your finger on the lines. This story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Experience and hard work both goes side by side. So we learn from this story what is the importance of hard work as well as the importance of experience. Scene 1. A hostel room. Two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So, this is the scene 1. In the first scene, we see a hostel room and two brothers are there. One is of 14 years and the other is of 9 years. So, 14 years old is Bhaiya and 9 years old is his younger brother Munna. So, they are seen in a hostel room. Bhaiya is studying a book, whereas Munna is drawing some pictures of birds and animals. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Now, this is the conversation between two brothers, Bhaiya and Munna. Okay. Bhaiya asked Munna that what he was doing. Okay, and Munna replied that he was drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Now Bhaiya asked Munna that where he was in the morning. And Munna's face turned pale. He was scared of his brother and he told that he was playing. Munna gave the answer that he was playing. And next he asked his brother that Bhaiya, how can you sit with your books for hours together? Because for Munna, it was a hard task. He cannot sit with his books for hours together. And what was the reply of Bhaiya? Bhaiya told him that because I used to sit with my books for hours together because I want my foundation in education to be strong. If the foundation of the building is strong, then the building will stand firmly. In the same way, I want my foundation in education to be strong. That's why I used to do so. And Bhaiya also admitted that sometimes it takes him 2 years to complete 1 year's work. Where we can complete a work within 1 year, Bhaiya will take 2 years to complete the same work. There is nothing to say about it. He very honestly admitted that he can complete the work of 1 year in 2 years, because sometimes it takes him to do so. And what is the question of Munna now? Munna said that, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? And now Munna asked his brother that, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than me, and then also you are studying only 3 classes ahead of me. What is this? And you are writing the same word 20 times in your copy, writing the same sentence 20 times, copying poems several times in good handwriting from one copy to another copy. So what was the answer of Bhaiya? Bhaiya told Munna that studying English is no child's play. If you are thinking that it's an easy task, it's not so. One has to put tremendous effort to learn the subject. Okay? That's why I practice. I wrote so many times a word, a sentence, or a poem. But at the same time, he told Munna that, Munna, whenever you get a chance, you run to the field, you fly paper kites, you play marbles, you sit gossiping with your friends, passing your time idly for fun. Is this the way? Can't you sit down and study? For whom Bhaiya was speaking these things? Bhaiya actually, he was 5 years older than Munna, and he was the well-wisher. He was Munna's elder brother, and he was the well-wisher of his brother. He also wanted that his brother should show a good result, as both of them were staying in a hostel. Okay? Now, in spite of this, Munna once again asked Bhaiya that, oh Bhaiya, there's a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Munna was thinking of going to the mela, which was organized in the village. He asked his brother that, Bhaiya, shall we go to the mela today? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Now what was the reply of Bhaiya? When Munna asked that, shall we go to the fair today, Bhaiya? There's a big mela in the village. Bhaiya told him that, have you ever seen me going to the fair? Have you ever seen me watching a cricket match or a hockey match? I prefer to study a book instead of wasting my time. Okay. I also don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But I think that you will remain in the same class till your life if you spend your time idly in this way. And do you expect to pass if you waste your time in the way you are spending? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. In this way, Munna, you are wasting your time as well as you are wasting father's hard-earned money. Father is sending money to us. He is giving the fee, and you are simply wasting father's money. Munna starts crying on being scolded, and sobbing sounds wah wah ba ba hoo are heard. And Munna, what he did, he started crying. When he gets the scolding from his brother, he started crying. Okay, you students, you also do. You also behave in the same way when your elder brother or sister used to scold you. But always remember, they are your well-wishers. Our elders are our well-wishers. They always think about us. How we will rise, how we will do a good result. That happens. And that is the thing they always try to do for us. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now stop crying. Put a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Now Bhaiya told Munna that now stop crying and put a smile in your face. Smile, my brother. Okay, don't cry. Munna tells him that I wish I would run and go back home. And Bhaiya tried to console him, and he told him that look, I have just made a timetable for you. Okay, and you will have to follow the timetable. In our next class, we will do the rest part.